again, it's Patrick Kessler at Botero Homes, here at another grand home in Clifton that we're building for a great client. You'll see that we've gone ahead and we're in the framing process now. We've got it under roof. This house in Clifton had a lot of excavation work, but we're making some great progress. We're going to have a grand foyer here, as you can see. As I walk into the front door, as you can see, we've got some great staircases here with a two-story foyer over to the garages, and into the back, where we have a very grand two-story family room leading into what will be the kitchen area. Here on the second level, you can see how big the bedrooms are going to be. And here we are upstairs in the foyer area. And then this over here, yes, it is the entire master suite. So again, if you're ready to build a Botero home and make your dreams happen, please give us a call. This is Patrick Kessler at Botero Homes.